at that.
My favorite one. This thing's awesome.
Project Big Pig.
This thing's so awesome. It's a torque monster.
All right, Drew, so tomorrow we're gonna take this in the dirt.
Okay.
I know we promised everybody we were gonna ride the 500, but really, we're gonna put all that attention into the XR.
This thing's way more fun than a 500. Everyone's gonna hate me for that.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Man, what a beast.
This thing rips. Wow.
Cool. Working on this thing for a couple months now. Just a lot of changes to the kit to make it work on a 650. So, swing arm was one of the harder designs we've had to come up with, but just glad it's coming together. All right, guys. Hope you're excited about this build because I'm super pumped on it. So let's get up close and personal. Let's just start with the seat height. I know you guys are going to ask that right off. Now, this bike actually came in around 35 inches, which is quite a bit lower than a stock XR650L. Now, one kicker is this bike did come with a lowering link installed, but it's sitting right where we want it. Now, it has a similar design in terms of the jack shaft as our other bikes. We're actually able to reuse the OEM kickstand with a stopper bracket to keep it from hitting our swing arm, which is pretty nice. You guys can see how complex this swing arm is. It was our new billet design, so everything's been converted over to the CRF 450 sprocket setup in the rear. You guys can check out the clearance we've got going on here. Really not too bad. I was very impressed with the setup. Of course, if we're going with the CRF sprocket, we're going with the CRF brake also. So it comes with the CRF rotor and caliper and brake line, and that goes to the stock master cylinder from the XR. A little shot of the key switch bracket. So we're going to be using the stock speedometer and all that fun stuff on our triple clamps. We've actually upgraded this bike to fat bars. And we've got some creative routing on the speedometer cable right there. We actually stuffed an LED light in there, which is a cool upgrade for the XR. And again, we've got the stock speedometer cable with the speedo drive. So we had to do a custom hub. This was a little bit of a challenge. We've got the same 12x5 front wheel with a 26/9/12 front tire. We actually ran the same size tire front and rear. The only kicker is in the back, we ran a wider wheel, so it actually widens the tire out. Of course, we went with the stock XR650L front brakes. Those worked great. No reason to change those out, so we made our kit work with them. Everything's tight. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's a super tight setup with this fat tire, but got this thing looking real nice with that nice front fender. Overall, super pumped on this build. We're going to be taking this thing out, riding in the dirt tomorrow, so stay tuned for the next video, guys. We'll have some more updates for you. Head over to bbcbigwheels.com for more info on this big wheel kit. Thanks for watching, guys.